everyone, it's Neil. Welcome to my camper, and today I have I think it's called Elegear, and it is a rainbow blanket. Looks like it'd be good for children, but heck, I like rainbows too, why not? Okay, so we're gonna give this thing a try and see what it looks like. It seems like the size is gonna be 60 by 78, so that's like 6 feet by, well, 5 feet is 60 inches by 6.5 feet. So it should fit my bed here. So let's check this thing out and see how it is. It's a flannel, colorful blanket. So let's see how this looks. So this is it. It's the rainbow blanket. It's getting to be winter time, so it'd be nice to have another blanket to put on the bed. So let's see what we can do here. Check it out. It's wrapped up really tight. I can feel it. It feels hard now, but I'm sure. Ooh, that's soft. Once it opens up, yeah, super soft. There's no way I'm ever getting it back in that bag. Oh. Okay, so let's see how this is. Wow, check this out. It's like tie-dye rainbow. So really nice. So it's about, I guess it's not, about 5 feet wide, and it's not. There's no way that's 6 feet wide. So I don't know what, 60 inches is 5 feet. Yeah, it's 5 feet wide, so 5 feet. So 5 feet by 6.5 feet, which is probably about right. So that'll fit on my bed. So let's check it out here. Let's see how it looks. So let's move you guys down here so you can see how it looks on, there. So there, that's what it looks like. Oh, it's super soft. This is gonna be really cool. Makes it in my van here, or my camper, into a hippie camper. So that's it. So this is what I'm going to be using from now on. It looks pretty cool, and I like it. And it's not too childish, I guess. I mean, it looks cool, looks happy. And I'm going to put a link to this one. I'm going to put a link to this into the comments or description below, so you guys can pick one up. And be sure to like this video and subscribe. But check this out. It's got some good thickness to it. It's well stitched on the edges. Yeah, it's really nice. I can't wait to just get this thing here, and it's getting so cold, so it's going to be nice to have this nice flannel blanket to keep me nice and warm. So this is what it's going to look like. So if you live in a camper, it's great. It's going to be perfect. So I like it. So thumbs up from me, and that's it. I'll be back with some other reviews soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.